Check out this 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission, premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. A premium sound system is just one of the benefits of owning this vehicle. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.